And we begin with that breaking news. The FDA just issuing emergency use authorization for Johnson & Johnson's vaccine, a third line of defense against the coronavirus and a powerful new weapon in this pandemic. It's being called a game changer, just one dose for protection tested against concerning variants from South Africa and Brazil, and easier to store and deploy in regular refrigerators. Nearly 4 million doses ready to ship from J&J's storage facilities like this one in Kentucky. And tonight we have a breakdown of where those doses will be going. Moderna and Pfizer already promising to make enough vaccine to immunize all Americans by July. And with Johnson & Johnson promising another 100 million doses by June, could that timeline speed up? But the race to vaccinate is also a race against those variants. The head of the CDC warning that cases and deaths are beginning to tick up again. So tonight there is cause for vigilance, but thanks to Johnson & Johnson, also cause for hope. ABC's Trevor Ault leads us off right here in New York.
Tonight, the FDA giving the green light to a game-changing third weapon in the COVID fight, authorizing Johnson & Johnson's one-shot vaccine.
We are at the precipice of having another vaccine in our toolboxes.
In trials, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has been 100% effective against hospitalization and death and 85% effective at preventing severe illness. While its overall effectiveness was lower than Pfizer and Moderna, Johnson & Johnson's was tested against concerning variants, and it still performed well.
When this vaccine was tested in South Africa, where the South African variant is common, and when it was tested in Brazil, where the Brazilian variant is common, it worked to keep you out of the hospital and to keep you out of the morgue. I think that's really important.
The J&J vaccine can also be kept in regular refrigerators, allowing for easier shipping and storage. Our Elwin Lopez is in Kentucky.
J&J says up to 4 million doses are ready to ship within days, 100 million by the end of June. Mini rolling out of this facility outside of Louisville.
And as multiple states push to further reopen, a stark warning from the head of the CDC that we may be seeing the beginning effects of those new variants of the virus. The average daily case total fell 73% over the past 6 weeks, but that progress has leveled off, even ticking up 5% in the last 5 days.
Now is not the time to relax restrictions.
This week's average daily death toll jumping 10%, highlighting the sobering reality that this fight is not yet finished. In Texas, 35-year-old Charles Torres struggling to breathe from his COVID-ravaged lungs.
I love you with all my heart. I love you so much.
Saying his final goodbye to his children in this emotional video before, like so many victims of this virus, he passed away alone.
You went in and never came out. It's like losing your shadow. It doesn't matter where you go, you had him backing you up all the time.
Just devastating what that family has to go through. Trevor Ault joins us from a mass vaccination site in New York City. And Trevor, I want to go back to that breaking news. The FDA issuing emergency use authorization for Johnson & Johnson's one-shot vaccine. And you're learning new details about the company's rollout plan.
Well, that's right, Whit. Now, right out of the gate, nearly 3 million doses will be going to state and local jurisdictions, and 800,000 will go directly to pharmacies. So the first shots will likely be administered very early this coming week. Whit.
All right, Trevor, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.